When was the last time when you sat amongst your friends without being conscious about your belly fat, your protruding belly, that hanging belly fat, which is so obvious that you have to actually hide it with the help of a cushion? Now, I've got a very easy and simple exercise for you because I keep hearing these excuses that you don't have time. So I bring to you one simple exercise to lose your belly fat, be it your upper belly, lower belly, side belly, hanging belly fat, overall belly fat, so that eventually you don't have to hide it with the help of a cushion. I've been there, done that, so I know all the excuses that you come up with to hide your belly fat. I say, why give excuses? Do this exercise in the comfort of your own home. I will be showing you the beginner, intermediate and advanced level of this very one exercise. That's all you need, trust me. So as per your fitness level, according to your convenience, now you can choose whichever level you fit into, beginner, intermediate or advanced, that too in the comfort of your own home. And no, you don't have to do any torturous, strenuous exercises to lose your belly fat. Trust me, this one is definitely going to work on you. So before we move forward, I'd like to know which belly fat are you targeting? Comment below and let me know. Is it your upper belly fat, your lower belly fat or your side belly fat or overall belly fat? Write below in the comments because I want to know. So let's begin with a bang. Let me show you the first move, which is a completely beginner friendly move which you can do as a very effective and easy exercise on a daily basis. And yes, you can do it sitting in a chair. So before we move on, please hit the like button so even I feel motivated enough to bring these awesome videos to you every week without fail. And if you feel the need, please do subscribe to my channel because that's why you're not able to see my videos. So many of you keep asking me when is the next video coming. Subscribe to the channel and you'll sure see the next video coming next week. I post every week, so don't forget to hit the bell notification as well. Now come on, let's begin with the exercise. So for the first exercise, which is a completely beginner friendly level, you have to sit on a chair like this, but try and sit at the edge of the chair. Keep your shoulders pushed backwards and keep your core muscles tight for all the 3 levels. This is very, very important. And you have to try to lift your knee up to this height, which is your chest level. Lift it up like this. But for whatever reason, if you're not able to lift it up that high, never mind. Try and bring it to whatever level you can. Be it just this much. Never mind. You have to exercise according to your fitness levels because persistent is the key. You have to do exercise every single day to be able to see results. If you have an easy exercise handy, you're sure to do it every day, and that's the key to success. Let's do it together. Let's begin. Second level is the intermediate level. Now the chair is gone, of course, because for the intermediate level, we have to take it a notch higher. I'm going to show you a sit-up. And if you do it the right way, trust me, you're sure to see results. So you have to stand with your feet shoulder width apart, not very far wide and not very narrow. It has to be exactly shoulder width apart. Keep your shoulders pushed backwards. Your core muscles should be tight. And now we're going to go down and do a sit-up like this. It's very simple, but please do it according to your fitness level. If you can go down only this much, that's fine. If you can go down only this much, that's also fine. Completely alright. But just be careful of the posture. You have to breathe out when you go down, breathe in when you come up. Let's do it together. So if you've done the first part and the intermediate, I'm very proud of you because you've completed level 2 successfully. And now for level 3, again, the chair is back. We are going to merge level 1 and level 2 and reach it to form level 3, which is the advanced level. If you can do this successfully, then your belly will be on fire and you're sure to see amazing results. You will see the most amazing, easy, effective exercise with just the help of a chair, how much you can achieve. Let me show it to you. You have to sit like this, stand up, without literally sitting into the chair. Now you just have to do like this and level 1 again. That's how it is a combination of level 1, level 2. Welcome to level 3. Let's do the advanced level together. Hope you've enjoyed watching my video. If you want to join my paid weight loss program, feel free to click on the link below in the description and you're sure to achieve your transformation the way you want it with the help of me and my team. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.